Theta especially token sort of is a mid-position digital money presently valued at $1.063100 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $1.063100 in an unobtrusive manner. Over the past certainly couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Theta token, laid out a truly impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and most certainly are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, in a kind of enormous way. A few institutional financial backers even certainly consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against a taking-off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, exhibiting how Theta in every practical sense token essentially is a mid-position digital money right now valued at $1.063100 that has a place with the class of mineable coins. With a market capitalization of $1.063100 or so they really thought. Retail financial backers and dealers sort of are exceptionally keen on digital currencies for example. Theta, since this certainly is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources by and large have the fundamentally potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately brief timeframe in a sort of enormous manner. These profits basically will be essentially out of reach in extremely different business sectors, which really is the justification for why most kind of moderate financial backers in every practical sense are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Theta token. While the groundbreaking ones certainly dedicate a critical piece of their truly funding to this quickly creating resource class, which generally is genuinely huge. At this genuinely specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members brought the cost of Theta sort of token to the level at $1.063100, where it as of now in every practical sense sits in an unpretentious way. As currently referenced, Theta generally is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 54th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the especially metric that in every practical, not set in stone, by duplicating the especially current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which essentially is genuinely huge. On account of Theta token, the market capitalization remains at $1.063100. The significance of this boundary will generally be especially made sense of later in an unpretentious manner. Our cost expectation calculation essentially is planned in every practical sense, such a way that it constantly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to explicitly furnish our supporters with the most reliable data on the very present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough truly survey the condition of their portfolio and certainly choose whether or not it generally needs to in every practical sense be reconfigured. Which for the most part is very critical. Our calculation additionally really focuses on authentic information, which generally is truly vital for the truly right assessment of both especially current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its genuinely present and future bearing, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Beneath you will by and large find genuinely key selections of this verifiable information, so you also could for the most part have a comprehension of where the Theta token market basically is going in a very significant manner. Yesterday, on January 16, Theta generally was esteemed at $1.037943 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings, especially recollect that digital currencies all things considered are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 0.71% in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on January 10, Theta most certainly token explicitly was exchanged at $1.015535 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that sort of near its truly present position, or so they truly thought. On December 17, which most certainly was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Theta at $1.047571, the cost level that in every practical sense is at the distance of 1.48% from where it at present in every way that really matters stands the cost of Theta, and the readings of CVIX are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost forecasts, an especially huge way. Market capitalization sort of is another significant genuinely metric that for the most part assists traders with by and large deciding the notoriety of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, in a sort of significant manner. It's additionally used to truly evaluate the offer that Theta especially token sort of holds inside the kind of whole digital currency market, which most certainly is very huge. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization basically is fairly straightforward. The circling supply of the cash being referred to sort of is increased by its especially current cost. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Theta in every practical sense remains at $1.063 enough to name it the 54th, fundamentally the biggest coin on the digital currency market, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on January 16, the market capitalization of Theta extremely token most certainly remained at $1.037,942,693, which really is very critical. 7 days prior, on January 10, the capitalization of Theta especially was $1.015,534,688, exhibiting how on account of Theta token, the market capitalization really remains at $1.063,122. The significance of this boundary will explicitly be somewhat made sense of later. A month prior, on December 17, how much in every way that really matters, capital streaming around this genuinely specific market explicitly added up to $1.047,571,157 in a sort of enormous manner. Most digital currency financial backers most certainly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a specific cryptographic money and its capacity to truly endure disturbances, which are the by and large normal event on this exceptionally unstable market, in a kind of significant manner. The greatest stockpile of Theta genuinely token by and large is 100,000,000 Theta. The exceptionally absolute inventory of Theta as of now generally remains at 100,000,000 coins, or so they in a real sense thought. The coursing supply of the digital money under audit for the most part is 100,000,000 Theta, which generally is genuinely critical. This Theta extremely token cost expectation wouldn't explicitly be exceptionally finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the by and large measurement utilized by basically all digital currency merchants to sort of affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move in spite of mainstream thinking. For example, on the off chance that the breakout to the potential gain especially is happening on the rear of the low exchanging volume, there explicitly is a sort of high likelihood that this move especially is unreasonable and would sort of bring about a bullish snare, which essentially shows that as currently referenced, Theta really is a mid-positioned cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 54th spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the truly metric that's still up in the air, by duplicating the exceptionally current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in an unpretentious manner. Hence, it is essential to for the most part examine the in every practical sense past and the genuinely current exchanging volume of Theta request to especially comprehend whether this market has a fundamental strength exhibiting that on account of Theta token